The .308 Winchester is famous for one thing above all: accuracy. Trusted by hunters, competitors, and precision shooters worldwide, this caliber delivers consistency shot after shot. In this video, we're counting down the 7 most accurate .308 rifles, chosen for their precision, reliability, and real-world performance. Whether you're reaching across open fields or dialing in at long range, these rifles represent the very best the .308 has to offer. Number 7. Aerero PrecisionLAR30 is a modern sporting rifle platform built around the 7.62 x 51mm NATO .308 Winchester cartridge and designed for those who want a durable, accurate, and adaptable rifle for precision, range, and general utility use. It typically features a forged or billet receiver set, a free-float M-lock handguard for accessory mounting, an AR-style adjustable stock and pistol grip for ergonomics, a cold hammer-forged barrel with a threaded muzzle, and a user-adjustable gas system on many configurations to tune reliability with a variety of ammunition, making it suitable for range work, competition, hunting in jurisdictions where legal or precision training. The LAR30's design emphasizes modularity and parts compatibility with a wide ecosystem of AR-10 pattern components, giving owners flexibility in customizing triggers, optics, and controls, and its build quality is generally regarded as solid for its price tier. Pros often include good value relative to competing .308 or 7.62 rifles, strong aftermarket support, comfortable ergonomics, and reliability when properly maintained. Cons can include weight that some shooters find hefty compared with lighter precision builds, recoil that can be brisk in .308, and the fact that peak accuracy often depends on quality ammunition and optics upgrades rather than stock configuration. As with all firearms, responsible ownership, safe handling, proper training, and compliance with local laws are essential. Typical price ranges for a new LAR30, before optics and accessories, have been in the mid to upper tier of AR-10 style rifles, often several thousand US, though actual retail pricing varies by region and configuration. Number 6. Tika T3XCTR is a precision-oriented bolt-action rifle that blends tactical performance with practical field usability, making it popular among precision shooters, law enforcement marksmen, and hunters who want consistent accuracy at extended ranges. Featuring a cold hammer-forged heavy-profile free-floating barrel, a smooth 2-lug bolt with a short 70-degree lift, and a rigid synthetic stock with a vertical grip that promotes excellent trigger control and stable shooting positions. The rifle also uses a steel-bottom metal and detachable box magazine, adding durability and reliable feeding compared to standard hunting models. Pros of the Tika T3XCTR include outstanding out-of-box accuracy that frequently delivers sub-MOA groups with quality match or hunting ammunition, one of the smoothest bolt actions available in its class, a crisp, adjustable trigger that breaks cleanly, and excellent reliability in harsh weather and dusty environments, all of which contribute to its strong reputation in precision shooting circles. However, there are some downsides, as the heavy barrel and robust construction make the CTR noticeably heavier than lightweight hunting rifles, reducing comfort during long hikes or mountain hunts, and the tactical-style stock lacks adjustability for cheek height or length of pull without aftermarket upgrades. Additionally, the proprietary steel magazine is durable but expensive, and the rifle's tactical appearance may not appeal to traditional hunters. Another con is that recoil, while manageable, can still be noticeable due to the firm stock design. The price of the Tika T3XCTR typically ranges from about $900 to $1,100, depending on caliber and retailer. Overall, the Tika T3XCTR is an excellent choice for shooters who prioritize precision, smooth operation, and reliability, offering competition-level accuracy in a factory rifle while sacrificing some portability and traditional styling. Number 5. Burggara B14 HMR is a highly regarded bolt-action rifle that successfully bridges the gap between precision competition rifles and practical hunting platforms. Built on Burggara's smooth 2-lug action with a sliding plate extractor and paired with a heavy free-floating barrel made from Burggara's renowned cold hammer-forged steel, which delivers exceptional consistency and accuracy at extended ranges. The HMR features a mini chassis molded into a fiberglass reinforced stock, providing a solid aluminum bedding system along with adjustable length of pull and cheek height, allowing shooters to achieve a precise fit for both prone and field shooting. Pros of the Burggara B14 HMR include outstanding out-of-box accuracy that often produces sub-MOA groups with quality match or hunting ammunition, excellent barrel quality and smooth bolt operation, strong compatibility with Remington 700 pattern aftermarket accessories, and a stable, confidence-inspiring platform that performs equally well at the range or on open country hunts. However, the rifle's strengths come with trade-offs, as the heavy barrel and chassis-style stock make it significantly heavier than traditional hunting rifles, which can be tiring on long hikes or steep terrain, and its tactical appearance may not appeal to hunters who prefer classic designs. Additionally, while the stock is adjustable, the overall bulk can feel cumbersome in tight or wooded environments. Another con is that recoil management relies more on weight than recoil pads or brakes. The price of the Burggara B14 HMR typically ranges from about $900 to $100, depending on caliber and availability. Overall, the Burggara B14 HMR is an excellent choice for shooters who demand precision, durability, and adjustability in a factory rifle, prioritizing accuracy and stability over lightweight portability. Number 4. Christensen Arms Mesa FFT is a premium lightweight bolt-action hunting rifle engineered for serious mountain and backcountry hunters who want maximum accuracy with minimal weight, combining Christensen Arms' proven stainless steel action and barrel with a carbon fiber reinforced FFT stock that significantly reduces weight while maintaining rigidity and durability in harsh environments. The Mesa FFT features a free-floating stainless steel barrel, a match-grade trigger, and a refined minimalist design that emphasizes performance over unnecessary bulk. Pros of the Mesa FFT include excellent out-of-the-box accuracy that often approaches sub-MOA with quality hunting ammunition, an extremely light overall weight that makes it ideal for long hikes and steep terrain, strong corrosion resistance due to its stainless construction, and a crisp trigger that aids precise shot placement. While the carbon fiber stock provides improved stiffness compared to traditional synthetic stocks. However, there are drawbacks, as the lightweight build can result in sharper felt recoil, especially in magnum calibers, and the minimalist stock lacks adjustability for length of pull or cheek height, which may limit fit for some shooters. Additionally, Christensen Arms rifles are positioned at a premium price point, and some buyers expect more factory features such as threaded muzzles or adjustable stocks at this cost. Another con is that the recoil pad, while adequate, is not exceptional for such a light rifle. The price of the Christensen Arms Mesa FFT typically ranges from about $1,600 to $1,900, depending on caliber and retailer. Overall, the Mesa FFT is an excellent choice for hunters who prioritize weight savings, accuracy, and premium materials, offering a refined, high-performance hunting rifle for those willing to invest in lightweight excellence. Number 3. Daniel Defense DD5V4 is a premium AR-10 pattern semi-automatic rifle designed for shooters who demand durability, precision, and modern engineering in a large frame platform, chambered in .308A Winchester, and built around Daniel Defense's cold hammer-forged barrel technology, which is renowned for longevity, consistency, and accuracy under hard use. The rifle features a fully ambidextrous lower receiver, a free-float M-LOK handguard, an adjustable gas block, and a smooth direct impingement gas system that balances reliability with controllable recoil, making it suitable for hunting, range work, and tactical or defensive roles. Pros of the DD5V4 include excellent build quality with tight tolerances, strong out-of-box accuracy that often approaches or achieves 1 MOA with quality ammunition, a crisp factory trigger for an AR-10, and outstanding ergonomics thanks to ambidextrous controls that accommodate both right and left-handed shooters. Additionally, the threaded muzzle allows easy use of suppressors, or muzzle devices, and Daniel Defense's reputation for military-grade manufacturing inspires confidence in long-term reliability. However, there are notable drawbacks, as the DD5V4 is heavier than bolt-action hunting rifles, especially once optics and accessories are added, which can limit its practicality for long backcountry hunts. And like most AR-10 platforms, it requires more maintenance and careful ammunition selection compared to bolt guns. Another con is recoil impulse, which, while manageable, is more noticeable than tuned competition rifles unless upgraded, and the rifle's tactical appearance may not be suitable or legal for hunting in all regions. The price of the Daniel Defense DD5V4 typically ranges from about $2,200 to $2,500, depending on retailer and configuration, placing it firmly in the high-end semi-automatic rifle category. Overall, the DD5V4 is an excellent choice for shooters who want a rugged, accurate, and feature-rich .308 semi-auto rifle, prioritizing durability, versatility, and premium craftsmanship over lightweight simplicity. Number 2. Springfield Armory M1A Loaded Precision is a modernized evolution of the classic M14 style rifle, built for shooters who want semi-automatic precision combined with a legendary battle rifle heritage, featuring a national match-grade medium-heavy barrel, a precision-tuned gas system, and a rigid adjustable chassis or upgraded stock, depending on configuration, that enhances stability and long-range consistency. Designed for precision shooting and designated marksman roles, this rifle delivers improved accuracy over standard M1A models while retaining the iconic iron sights, robust operating system, and authoritative .308 Winchester chambering. Pros of the M1A. Loaded precision include excellent accuracy for a semi-automatic rifle, often capable of near MOA performance with match ammunition, exceptional reliability rooted in decades of military lineage, outstanding iron sights that are among the best ever fitted to a factory rifle, and strong recoil control due to its weight and gas-operated action, making it comfortable for extended range sessions. The rifle's upgraded trigger and barrel profile further enhance consistency, and its solid construction inspires confidence in hard use. However, there are notable downsides, as the M1A loaded precision is significantly heavier than most modern bolt-action hunting rifles and even many AR-10 platforms, limiting its practicality for long hunts or field carry. Optics mounting is also less straightforward than on flat-top AR rifles, often requiring proprietary mounts, and aftermarket parts tend to be expensive. Additionally, recoil impulse and maintenance are more complex than bolt guns, and the rifle's classic design lacks modern modularity. The price of the Springfield Armory M1A loaded precision typically ranges from about $2,700 to $2,400, depending on configuration and retailer. Overall, the M1A loaded precision is an excellent choice for shooters who value classic design, semi-automatic precision, and proven reliability, prioritizing heritage and performance over lightweight simplicity and modern modular features. Number 1. Ruger American Predator is a purpose-built bolt-action rifle tailored for predator hunters, varmint shooters, and practical marksmen who want modern features and solid accuracy at a reasonable price. Built on Ruger's lightweight American action with a 3-lug bolt and 70-degree throw that allows smooth cycling and ample scope clearance. It features a heavier profile, cold hammer-forged barrel than the standard Ruger American, often factory-threaded for suppressors or muzzle devices, and uses Ruger's power bedding system to maintain consistent action support and improve accuracy. Pros of the Ruger American Predator include very good out-of-box accuracy that frequently reaches MOA or better with quality ammunition, excellent value for money, a user-adjustable marksman trigger with a clean and predictable break, wide caliber availability well-suited for predator and crossover hunting roles, and the versatility of a threaded muzzle that many budget rifles lack. The rifle is also lightweight and easy to carry, making it practical for calling setups and long days in the field. However, there are drawbacks, as the molded polymer stock is flexible and lacks rigidity, which can affect feel and consistency when shooting from bipods or rests, and the proprietary rotary magazine is more expensive to replace and less convenient than standard box magazines. Additionally, the fit and finish are utilitarian rather than refined, and recoil can feel sharper in lighter calibers due to the rifle's low overall weight. Another con is that the bolt, while reliable, is not as smooth as higher-end competitors. The price of the Ruger American Predator typically ranges from about $450 to $600, depending on caliber and configuration. Overall, the Ruger American Predator is an excellent choice for shooters who want dependable accuracy, suppressor readiness, and modern functionality at a mid-budget price, prioritizing performance and versatility over premium materials or refined aesthetics. If these most accurate .308 rifles proved why this caliber is still a precision legend, smash like, subscribe, and comment which one you trust when every shot counts. We break down real accuracy, real results, and rifles that deliver on the range and in the field. More precision rifle content coming soon.